Welcome back to Auto Vibes, your go-to destination for the most luxurious, rarest, and jaw-dropping cars in the world. And today, we're diving into something that redefines exclusivity and elegance. Meet the 2026 Rolls-Royce Droptail Arcadia, a coach-built masterpiece designed for the elite few who demand not just a car, but a rolling piece of art. Buckle up as we explore this majestic marvel in detail. The 2026 Rolls-Royce Droptail Arcadia isn't just a luxury car, it's a statement of individuality, craftsmanship, and timeless design. Arcadia, a name symbolizing an unspoiled, harmonious land, perfectly reflects the peaceful essence and serene beauty of this creation. It's part of the ultra-exclusive Droptail lineup, limited to only 4 bespoke models globally, and Arcadia stands out as a pinnacle of serene luxury and personalized artistry. From first glance, the exterior design captures attention with its breathtaking elegance and handcrafted brilliance. The Droptail Arcadia wears a custom shade of white with a fine silver undertone, giving the bodywork a luminous, almost ethereal presence under sunlight. The clean lines are intentional. They're not just stylish but symbolic of purity and calmness. The front grille, finished in brushed stainless steel, is stately yet modern, and it proudly frames the signature spirit of ecstasy. The rear, with its low, flowing silhouette, reflects yacht-inspired design cues, especially in the wooden rear deck crafted from rare calamander light open-pore wood. The Droptail's roof, completely removable, transforming this grand tourer into a stunning roadster in just a few moments. Step inside, and you're welcomed into a world that feels more like an art gallery than a car interior. The cabin of the Arcadia is dominated by woodwork that took over 8,000 hours to perfect, no exaggeration. The calamander light wood continues through the fascia and center console, paired with flawless white leather upholstery and subtle aluminum accents. The attention to detail is obsessive. Even the clock mounted in the dash was hand-assembled with a unique guilloche pattern, tailored specifically for Arcadia. Every inch, every stitch, and every surface tells a story of unmatched craftsmanship. Under the hood, the Droptail Arcadia doesn't just whisper luxury, it also speaks with power. It's equipped with Rolls-Royce's signature 6.75-liter twin-turbocharged V12 engine, delivering effortless performance with over 590 horsepower. The acceleration is smooth and silent, as you'd expect, going from 0 to 60 in around 4.5 seconds. But numbers aren't the point here, it's the experience. Rolls-Royce engineered this car for serene cruising and ultra-comfortable touring. The ride is almost eerily quiet thanks to advanced sound insulation and adaptive air suspension that glides over any terrain like you're floating on silk. Technology blends into the background, enhancing comfort without taking center stage. The infotainment system is hidden behind beautiful wooden panels and only reveals itself when needed, preserving the minimalist and elegant interior layout. There's also cutting-edge driver assistance, navigation, and connectivity, all tailored and tuned to Rolls-Royce's standard of excellence. Now, let's talk numbers. The price, a cool $30 million. Yes, you heard that right. But remember, this isn't just a car purchase. It's a commission. Each Droptail, including the Arcadia, is built in close collaboration with the client, involving years of design and development to reflect their personal vision. It's not mass-produced. It's not even just limited. It's one-of-one perfection. What sets the 2026 Rolls-Royce Droptail Arcadia apart is its purity of purpose. It's not trying to be flashy or fast for the sake of numbers. It's about creating a peaceful sanctuary on wheels, a space where design, emotion, and legacy come together. For those lucky few who will ever see or own one, it's the ultimate expression of luxury redefined. Thanks for riding with Auto Vibes. If you're as captivated by the Droptail Arcadia as we are, make sure to like, subscribe, and hit the bell icon for more elite car content. This is where luxury lives. Until next time, keep the vibes high and the engine smooth.